Hello guys, this is Nafiz here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back here with another tutorial video of my web development series. In this lecture, we learn about the list tag of HTML. There are two types of list tags here. One is order list and another is unordered list. We will learn all of this in this tutorial. So first of all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. So from today, I will be writing all my codes in VS Code, and I have created a new folder of web development series. I will open VS Code. Then I will drag and drop this folder to VS Code. Okay, welcome. This cancel, and we have our web development series folder open in our VS Code. I'll create a new file. I will name it list.html. .html is the extension of our HTML file. Then press enter. We have our list.html here. So our basic structure is HTML and open and closing tag. Then we have our head, open and closing tag. We'll give a title here. We'll write a title here. So our title for today is list tutorial. So this is the title of our website. Then we'll write our body here. Body, open and closing tag. So what we'll write inside of our body, let's write a heading tag. We'll write h2 tag. Say this is the, we'll first of all we'll see the order list. So this is the order list. So if we save this, Control S, we have saved this, and let's open the live server. Right click on here and open with the live server. So our live server is open to my default window. So this is my live server. So I will do this. So this is our live server, and we have our title list tutorial, and we have our h2 tag. This is the order list. So now what is the order list? So let me write the order list tag here. So for order list tag, we need to write OL, for stands for order list, open and close brackets. So this is saying us that this is the starting of our order list and this is the ending of our order list. So inside of our order list, what we have some list elements. What we have, the list elements, the first element of our list, the second element of our list. So all the elements, uh, all the elements will be inside of list tag. All the elements will be inside of this list tag. So say suppose we have first this is a list of fruits. So we have apple in first, and another one li, and we have banana, another one li. So suppose we have orange. So we have three lists in our order list. If we save this, we can see in our browser there is a list over here, 1 2 3. This is the order list. Because if we write an order list, we will see everything arranged in order. Suppose we have here 1 2 3. We can make this a b c. We can make this Roman numbers. So this is called order list. So we have apple, banana, orange, and what is the order list? So OL is the tag for the order list, and LI is the tag for the elements in our list. So now we will see the unordered list. So what is the unordered list? Unordered list is the bundle of some elements which have no order. Like in order list, we can see 1, 2, 3. This is a order type. There can be A, B, C. There can be Roman digits there. So this is called order list, and the unordered list don't have any particular order. This can be in any order. So if you write the code, you will understand it better. So let me write a h2 tag here saying this is the unordered list. And what is the tag for the unordered list? That is ul unordered list. So inside of this ul tag, we will write our list elements. So that is li, li. So suppose this can be names, Nafiz. Write another one, li. This can be Asif. Another one, li. So li are the list elements, and ul is the unordered list declaration. So there can be Munna here, and if I save this, we can see in our live server in our browser that we have a unordered list, and this is the unordered list because it don't have any particular order. These have like these dots here. This is called the round shape of unordered list. There are lots of other shapes which are disc, triangle, square, tick marks, stars, and so on. There are lots of unordered symbols out there. We will see in future how we can change this according to our needs. So this was for the order list, and this was for the unordered list. And we also can mix these two lists together. Say suppose we have a list of elements which have some order list element, and inside those order list element there are some particular unordered list elements. So suppose we write a h2 tag again. So this is the mix. So in our first of all, we need a order list. We'll write ol. Then inside of this ol tag, we'll write our first order list element, so which is li. And say suppose we have names. After this name tag, we need a unordered list, which is ul. And inside this unordered list, we have our list elements, names like Nafiz, and I will simply copy paste this thing. We have Asif here. We have Munna here, and say suppose we have another list element out of this unordered list, because this unordered list is finished. Of this was the another list of the list names. Now we have another order list which is li, which is of fruits. So inside of this fruit order list, we have unordered list ul. So inside of this unordered list, we have some fruits names of list apple, uh, orange, and we'll have banana. So if we save this, we can see in our browser we have this is the mix of, so we have a order list names and fruits, and inside of this order list we have the unordered list of names and unordered list of fruits. And now the symbol is this. So this is called the disk symbol, this is called the disk symbol, and this is called the round symbol. So we can see how we can write order list, how we can write unordered list, and how we can mix the both order and unordered list to make these kinds of list. So this was for today's video. I hope you understand what I wanted to teach you in this video. If you didn't understand, please go through the video again. This is so simple thing to understand. You need to concentrate on the video. This is so simple, you'll understand it so easily. So this was the video for today. So till next time, take care. Bye bye.